Hi everyone, welcome to Thinker Media. A lot of you have requested a video about transitions, video effects, and animations we have used in our films. And if you haven't checked out our films, please click on our channel and go to the short film playlist, or just check out any video we have, and you will know that what kind of effects we have used and how much audience we have. A lot of people are loving it, nearly 100 views and 61 subscribers, so that's a lot. And two of you have asked me to play to make a video on what kind of effects I have used, and I don't know why I'm even making this. I'm sure nobody's gonna watch this anyway, so to those 3 or 4 people who are gonna watch this is everything. Like, most of the YouTubers will cover all of this in like a series of 10 videos, and I hate that, because I have also tried to learn these things, and most of these could have been covered in one video, and I'm gonna try to cover everything in just one video and give you everything, so you don't waste a lot of time on searching for searching for these things and learning each of these individually. So let's get right into it. This video is about rigging up your Adobe Premiere Pro and Adobe After Effect. So I have checked it with Adobe Premiere Pro, and I'm sure that it works exactly the same with Adobe After Effect, but I'm gonna just make another video on that. Here I have listed all the important things which you will need to rig up your Premiere Pro. By rigging up, I mean just enhance your Adobe Premiere Pro productivity, make more in less time, make your videos look professional. Just one video and you will be rolling with cash with these packs. Anyhow, so the first thing is font pack. Install all the fonts in this pack. I will be sharing the links to all these in my description. And please, if you liked to watch more of these tutorials, please leave a comment and like the video, subscribe to my channel. So I'm gonna give you this font pack and how to install it. Just select all, press right click, install for all user, and you won't be getting into any problems. Then go into the best font for thumbnails, select all, right click, install for all user. Then go to downloads, ignore any messages. For example, if you press on install, it will pop up like that. This is already installed. You want to press select, do this overall, press yes, and let it go. It will install everything and replace it. It won't affect your computer, it won't break your laptop. Okay, so after installing all of these fonts, to extract all of them, I will show you just a little shortcut. Just select all, click on extract files, make a folder in WinRAR. If you haven't used WinRAR, you don't need to watch this video, because just create a new folder, extract everything on that, and just go to the folder and into the search bar type .otf, which is the extension for fonts, or .ttf, and let it search, and just select all the TTF files, right click, and install for all users. Once you have installed all the fonts, the next thing is to install a giant suite. There are 2 suites you can install, both of them, but they were causing problems when I installed the magic suite on top of the universal. So it's best to install one, use the features, extract the footage, and then install the other and use that footage. You have to sacrifice something for your they cost a lot. If you're gonna get it for free, you have to sacrifice your time. So anyway, so actually these are different versions, and I couldn't find the same version to both of these suits, so you have to delete one to use the other. Anyhow, to install, just click on install, double click on it, and the installer will pop up. Just install, next, and the process is really easy. If you have used a computer for a week, you will be able to understand what's going on and install that. After that, you have to install all the titles, which I use mostly in my project, and it's really amazing that all of these titles are just given for, it's not given for free, but there are some people who just think about people like us. So anyway, to install all of these, you don't have to install, you have to import them. Just select the search bar, then write .mogut. It will search all the mogut file, copy all the mogut, which mogut is a universal format for Premiere Pro templates. Any kind of animation template, select all, just copy them into another folder, go into your Premiere Pro, and to import it you just have to go into the Premiere Pro and do a few very simple steps, and all of your titles will be imported. Just open a new project, any project, wait for it to load, and then once it's loaded, I will also make another tutorial on After Effects, and if you wanted to watch that, just press the bell icon, because I'm going to release it soon. So we have some font missing. You have to download the font to really, preserve the aesthetics of the animation, but it can work without installing the font. You can select a custom font, you can select, and this is the animation. To import it, you just have to go into the graphics panel, then select Windows, then select the essential graphics, this option, Windows essential graphics. Once it's selected, go into browse, then select then click on this 3-4 layer icon, go into manage additional folder, add the folder which you had just created and copied all the mogut files into, select that folder and press on add, and everything in that folder will be added into your this essential graphics panel, and you can import it like this. Just drag and drop it, and you can see that these presets, and if it's too big for the screen, just right click on it and press scale to frame size, and you will be able to use it. Just click on that and you can change the text here. See, so it's really easy to use these templates. There is another thing which I wanted to show you. Beside the title pack, you can also import the Premiere Pro seamless video transition, and I also suggest that you buy all of these so the real owner can get benefit. But if you are like me or working on a very low budget, you have to find alternatives. Okay, to import the project files, the video transitions, these transitions, seamless transitions, you just have to drag and drop any of the file on top of your project panel tab in your Adobe Premiere Pro. For example, if I just want to import the glitch transition, I will drag and drop it here in the project tab, and it will ask you to import the entire project. Click select import entire project and then press OK, but I have already done that, so I don't need to do it again. To use any of the transition, just go into any of the new folder that just popped up after importing any of the project. To import, you have to do some setting in your Premiere Pro. First of all, it will be, if this is not enabled, enable it and select at least 5 tracks except track 1, and then just drag and drop on top of your cut, so that the cut in the transition is aligned with your cut. And these are all the transitions, really great transition which you will need. So we have learned to import, install different fonts for the for different templates. Then we have learned to install the Giant Universe, and then which is a transition, stylization, a lot of different things, presets available, a lot of cool transition in Red Giant. So we have learned to how to install and use that, and we haven't actually learned how to use that. To use Adobe transition, just go into the video and just select the video effects and transition, and under that the whole RG transitions and animations or effects will pop up, and the rest of the things are pretty much the same. You can install all of them with the same technique you have learned for these things. Just go into anything within these folders, and for I don't know anything for Ford, I will make tutorials for each one of them, but for Premiere Pro you can easily go into whichever file and just copy that Moger file into the folder, and it will automatically import into your Adobe Premiere Pro on your next start. So anyhow, this was it. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video, if you learned something, please subscribe to my channel for more content. And if you want me to make another video on anything, then please suggest it in the comment section, like my video and share it to whoever may need it. Thank you.